Hello everyone and welcome in my next tutorial video for QuantSense application, and in this part we will be discussing and presenting the possibilities of the reports upgrade in QuantSense. Before we start, let me describe you the initial setup of the application we have here. As you can see in the left side of the screen, I got 3 accounts and I will be using 2 of them. First one is called trading bot number 1 and the second one is called trading bot number 2. Altogether there are over 1700 trades on this account selected together, and on the right side in the chart section of the screen you can see the profit chart of these 2 accounts combined together. I will show you how to do nice report of the trades from these 2 accounts, and the first report will show you the comparison of these 2 accounts, and the second one will be showing you some details in the case when you combine the results of these accounts into one series of trades. Perform the right click on some part of the desktop of the application, and from the main menu, from the top part, select the reports item. When you're in the reports screen of the application, your selection should be preserved from the previous screen, and before you create a report, for which you can do by clicking the button on the right part of the screen, it's maybe a good idea to make some setup. Do a right click on the desktop of the application and select the settings from the bottom menu, and you will see this screen. So what we have here: first, the 2 templates for the design of the report. The left one is called QuantSense, and it's in QuantSense color scheme, and the other one is called Iridium, and this is more suitable for websites, probably something more conservative. The right part of the screen contains some switches where you can customize your report. And the first and maybe most important item is report mode, which you can switch from compare, as you can see right now, to union. In union mode, if you have selected more accounts, as I did in the previous screen, this selection will be combined together, so it will act as one account even if you have selected 3, 4 or 10 accounts together. So you will get one chart for all the trades from all your selected account. So this is a mathematical union. The other position of the switch is compare mode, which is more interesting in our demonstration. We want to compare 2 different accounts side by side, so we will leave this option in the compare position. The next item is a trade list. You can either show or hide it. This is in the case when you have too many trades there and you just need to see some charts and overall statistics, and you don't need to see the list of the trades in your report, so we will hide this in this case. The next item is called profits. Again, you can show or hide them. Hiding profits is maybe good idea if you want to publish your report and you just want to show the general public that you trade well, but you don't want to publish your absolute results. The last, so we let this option in the show position, and the last item is custom granularity for profit charts. So in this item you can customize the granularity of the chart. When this option is on, it can be turned off, then it's not taken into account, and there is 1 point drawn for every trade in the chart. If you turn this on, there is 1 point per chart per 1 month of trading. So QuantSense will sum up the profits you achieved in 1 month, and it will draw 1 point for every month of the trading. So we can leave it like this. So we have done our general setup for the report generation, and we can go back and generate the report. After your setup is finished, you don't need to repeat it again for your other report, because it's remembered in QuantSense unless you want to change something. And now you can just generate the report by clicking the create report button and wait for the generation to finish. It takes some time depending on the number of trades, of course, and number of accounts you have selected, and depending on the speed of your computer. Mine is quiet also, it takes a little bit longer. Okay, we got the result. So as you can see, QuantSense has generated a comparison of two accounts. You can see two profit charts where the green line is drawn for the trading bot number 2 and the orange one is drawn for the trading bot number 1. And this is the comparison in monthly granularity. So it means every vertical line means 1 month of trading, and both accounts has been filled by trades generated by the two strategy simulations, and those simulations were run over the period of almost 6 years of data. Therefore I got so many trades here, and therefore I got so long period of trading. The next charts is a comparison of total profit per instruments and average profit per instrument for every of the selected trades. And the next one is this instrument popularity. In this case, both strategies were run on Euro USD pair, so there is nothing interesting in this chart. And next the statistics comparison follow, and here you can see two columns, and you can see the numerical comparison of these two strategies. So we can, for example, check maximal loss, which was a bit bigger in trading bot 2 comparing to trading bot 1. This is the value. Overall profit is in the first line, and so on. You just pick your statistics of interest, and then you can decide which strategy is better. If you remember, I just omitted the list of trades in this report. So this is how the comparison look. And of course you can select more trades, more trades, more accounts, and you can even narrow the selection to some date interval. Okay, the other type of report is the report where we do the union setup. So we change the report mode to union, and moreover we just will select the show option for the trade list. So now we will see for the full report, and moreover we can change the design so we can demonstrate the other look of the report. Go back and again click create report, wait for the result. And the last thing which I would like to show you in this presentation is how you can use the report outside of the application. Since the report is generated in HTML format, you can export it from QuantSense into any directory in your computer, and then either zip it and send it using email or upload it to your website. Okay, we are done. So we did a union report. So we have one profit chart or one profit line for both selected accounts. It means trading bot number 2 combined together with trading bot number 1. This is the overall performance, as you can see, over something around 57 months of trading. So another statistics look similar as in previous case, with the difference that they are combined together for both selections. So you can see that if you will run these strategies side by side, they will earn something like 1,200 euros, and the statistics will look like this. What we change in this report is that we added the trade list, so you can see the trade lists for both selected accounts. The first is trade bidding bot number 2. This is the list of the trades, and it's very long, and as you can see is a big report. And then the trading bot number 1 follows with a similar list. And as I promised, I will show you how you can use it outside of the application. Just do a right click somewhere in the desktop of the application and click the export button, and QuantSense will ask you for the selection of the directory. So currently I got selected OneDrive QS and report test folder, so and select a report test, do select folder, and as you can see QuantSense has exported the report to this directory. When we enter the directory, so it was OneDrive and QS report test, and this is my last report generated. It's from this time. When I open it, it contains some files. I will hide all the other applications, and here you can have only one HTML file. It's always this one called report.html, and when you double click it, it will open in ordinary browser. And here you are, you got your own report outside of the QuantSense application, and you can archive it or zip all its source files, as I have show you here. So you can take for example this directory, right click and add to archive, use anything you need, for example zip, and click OK, and you get one file which you can send to your friend via email, to anybody you want to. The other useful thing is just take all these files here from the report and publish it on your website. Then when you navigate to report HTML from your website, you should see the report as it has been generated by QuantSense. So that's all for the report upgrade in QuantSense, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye.